What's the meaning of copy typist? Copy typist. Copy typist.
Copy typist. Copy typist. A copy typist is a person whose job is to produce written documents by typing them out from handwritten or printed materials. With excellent typing skills and attention to detail, a copy typist can quickly and accurately transcribe text, maintaining the formatting and accuracy of the original documents. This role requires strong concentration and proficiency in using a keyboard and word processing software. Overall, a copy typist's primary responsibility is to produce written documents efficiently and accurately.